Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into a cool topic for LGTV owners, how to access the secret menu on your LGTV. This hidden menu can be really useful for tweaking advanced settings that aren't normally accessible. What is the secret menu? Before we get started, you might be wondering what exactly the secret menu is. Well, it's a hidden service menu that LGTVs have, which lets you access additional settings beyond what's available in the regular user menu. These settings are usually meant for service technicians, but can be handy for enthusiasts too. Method 1. Using the remote control. Let's start with the simplest method, using the remote control. Here's how you can do it. Power on your LGTV and make sure you're on the home screen. Press and hold the settings button on your remote control for about 5 seconds. After holding it, a small pop-up should appear on the screen indicating that the service menu has been activated. Method 2. Using button combinations. If the first method didn't work for you, don't worry. There's another method using button combinations. Power on your LGTV and ensure you're on any input or home screen. Press and hold both the settings button and the OK button on your remote simultaneously for a few seconds. Release the buttons when the service menu appears on the screen, exploring the secret menu. Once you've accessed the secret menu, you'll see a bunch of options that aren't normally visible in the regular settings. Here are a few things you might find. Advanced picture settings, adjustments for color, contrast, and sharpness. Service diagnostics, tools for checking TV health and performance. Software updates and version information, useful for troubleshooting and ensuring your TV is up to date. Conclusion. There you have it. Accessing the secret menu on your LGTV is a handy trick for customizing your viewing experience and troubleshooting issues. Just remember, these settings are powerful, so be careful and avoid making changes unless you're sure about what you're doing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.